guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Alicia. This is Heart and Hand Creations and Events. In this video, I am replacing a waistband that I made for this mannequin silhouette, which is made out of 2 wire baskets. And for the skirt, I used feather bowing. In this video, I'm also showing you how you have options for lighting, really gives it a nice pop. But guys, as we continue on, you will see me trying to replace this waistband, and I will chat with you after the video. Thank you for watching. Hey guys, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and if so, tap the thumbs up to like. Comment below if you like what you have seen, And if you would like to know how I put this pretty mannequin silhouette together, you can leave that comment in the description below also. Subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell so that each time I upload a new video, you will know. That way you can see what I have going on next. Alright guys, in the meantime, have a good evening, good morning, or good afternoon, whatever time of the day it is for you, and I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.